Okay, this is the Sideshaft engine with the governor on it, driving through my hand clutch, driving my sawmill. We're sawing a log. You can see the carriage advancing with the log on it through the blade. We've almost cut a complete slab off the side of the log. And we'll just wait till that goes all the way through the saw. And there we have it. We saw on a slab off the side of the log, and the carriage automatically stops advancing once it reaches the point where it doesn't have to travel any further. And here is my nice little engine. Now we're going to grab the clutch and we're going to disengage the sawmill. There, the sawmill is disengaged now. There's my happy little engine again. Thanks for having a look.